Let's go!
Let's go! Where are we going? Saan punta?
Train station.
Ha?
Train station.
Train station. Gusto mo sumakay ng train?
Yes.
Bayad mo dun. Say bayad mo.
Paano po?
Pili mo. Go. How's your first ride? How's your first train ride? Huh? You like it? Come here, look here. You like it?
Yes.
Huy! Pagod ka na.
Ano dilaw? Nagahan natin kung sir. I ate just the four.
Ha?
No, it's just the four.
Dito kay ate. Ayan. Hello daw. Ikaw pumili lahat niya na. Asan yung toy mo? Where's the toy? Wow! Salamat. Drink. Drink. Drink na, drink. Oh, hindi yan. Hindi yan. Jelly, ha? That's mine. Hey, give it back. Give it back. Hey, don't eat my jelly, Ace. Speak Tagalog. Speak Tagalog muna.
I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, you do. Don't speak Tagalog.
Gili.
Oh, Willie, Tagalog muna. Ibo aray. Ano fart? Did you Did you fart?
Fart.
Ano fart? Sabi na safe na.
Give me my dream.
Hindi naman ganun eh. Sabi ni. Hi back. Hoy.